Hello fellow Wix family, this is Michael Strauch here from the Wix Training Academy, and I am thrilled to have you as we take and explore another episode in our digital marketing deep dive series. Today I'm going to explain to you the extreme value behind content marketing and how by making this change in your business or to start implementing it, you can see increased leads like you wouldn't believe. So let's first start by defining what content marketing is. Well guys, content marketing is the act of putting out valuable content in marketing effort. So what I mean by that is you could be putting out blog posts, you could be putting out social media posts, social media content, social media videos, YouTube videos, Vimeo videos, any type of content, whether it's in the form of pictures, podcast, video, blog, it doesn't matter, but content marketing is such a vital component to success in digital marketing heading into 2019. Let me tell you why. It's because when you sit down and think about it, you think about your audience, you think about where their attention lies, right? And depending on your audience and depending on who your target market is, you're going to have different answers to that question. But one basic backbone answer is that your audience lies on the internet. They lie on their phones, they lie on social media, they lie on the internet somewhere, somehow, including YouTube. YouTube is technically considered a social media. So your audience's attention is online. What you have to figure out is how can you cater to that audience, to your audience, through online media. So is that paid advertising? Is that content? What does that look like? Well, in this video, we're discussing content marketing. So you have to figure out first who your audience is. Once you determine who your target audience is, you need to identify what forms of content you can start with to best target them. Does your audience prefer video? Well, what I can tell you is that video has become increasingly in demand as it engages people more than a blog post or even a podcast. Now, that's not to say there's no home for blog posts and podcasts. In fact, depending on the model you like to follow, I would argue you need to hit every form of content type in order to maximize the full potential of content marketing reach to your audience. But let's just say we start with video, okay? Let's just say we take a minute and we determine that our audience is best reactive to video. What you have to do is you have to then sit down, map out what type of questions your audience is asking. What are they asking, right? What type of business do you run and what type of questions are your potential clients, customers, and audience asking? When you determine what those questions are and you put yourself in your customers or clients' shoes, you then write down a list of all of those questions, compile a huge list of those questions, and then start creating videos one by one answering those questions. Do one video per question, okay? So maybe you're in the real estate industry, right? And you are trying to figure out what type of questions your audience is asking. Well, think about it. Put yourself in your customer's shoes. Maybe, how do I buy my first house? Or what type of houses should first-time homebuyers look for? How does X, Y, and Z work when buying a home? Think about these questions, right? Write them all down and then answer them in video form. Once you answer them in video form, post them to all of your social outlets. Start with YouTube if you're answering anything in video. Anything video-wise, put it on YouTube. After you've done that, put the content on social media. If you don't have social media profiles on all the major social networks for your business, you are leaving leads on the table. Social media is where the attention is at online. Think about Facebook, think about Twitter, think about Instagram, think about LinkedIn for business connections, B2B connections, huge one right there. Think about TikTok, that's an upcoming one. Think about Shaper. Think about all of these different social networking platforms. You need to be on all of them and you need to post your content to all of them. Now here's what you don't want. You're not trying to post sales content all the time. Okay, so what your goal should be is with content marketing to deliver quality, valuable content. You want to provide your audience, your potential clients, your potential customers value. If you can prove to them that you're providing them value and you're also establishing some trust based off of your content, well, then you're put in a very, very good position. So let's go back to that real estate. Say that people have just watched your video, right? They found out that you live in their area, okay? But they're trying to determine who they want their real estate agent to be. Well, guess what? You've now provided them awesome content. You've provided them value through your content. They've developed a relationship with you through your video content, so they feel like they know who you are a little better, and you live in their area. Well, now you've just made yourself an excellent candidate to be their real estate agent. And just like that, that's how digital marketing starts. Now, this is one very small component as far as video marketing in particular, but content marketing is a huge landscape, and there's a lot to cover. But I hope this video was able to help discover and explore one aspect of content marketing to start. If it did, please drop a like down below, comment any questions you have, subscribe so you don't miss any Wix training content or digital marketing deep dive content here on the channel, and also head to WixTrainingAcademy.com, where I've got a free Wix Training Academy by clicking yes, I want free Wix content, and you could register for free Wix courses, webinars, training content. Awesome Wix stuff over there. But guys, this is the start, the backbone of digital marketing, and I hope you enjoyed episode 2 of our digital marketing deep dive. Yes, we will explore different methods of generating those leads. How do we generate the leads? But first, we have to explore the different outlets of how we get the leads in the door, right? So that's episode 2. Thank you guys again, and I'll catch you on our next one.